Oh, it's this way. Oh, 153. Got 153 here. 153, 317 again. 317 again. 156427 on the rear. Okay, so tonight we've got, yeah, a bonus session effectively, which will probably be in 2 parts. So we're at Farnworth. We'll only just be coming back out of an. So, wasn't expecting this. Here we are at Farnworth Station. Having a bit of a late session probably, and we'll see if the 23:10 is scheduled. Yep. So yeah, we're on like a night out. So yeah, and we're near the station, so obviously might as well do a little bit of a session. Okay, so we've finally got a train, and it is the train in question, the 156. 156487. And a god awful picture to settle it.
What was it?
156487.
156.
Obviously it is. So passing through now is supposed to be a 156 coming in for Clive. And 153317 on the rear. Yeah. We might be coming back. So, yeah, we could be coming back later. We'll just have a look what's scheduled.
What was the numbers again?
If not, Northwest Train Spot 390 out, but probably not. 427 and 317. So, 153317 decided to appear once again. Grimsby Town Cleethorpes. So, it might be Northwest Train Spot 390 out, but I don't know. See you in a bit. So yeah, we're back for round 2. As you can see on there, the 23:09 is indeed scheduled. Well, it was 23:10 originally, but it's just a minute earlier at 23:09. So we're back here at Farnworth. This is the second, maybe even the latest session I've ever done. Just in front of Heald Green. Oh, we've got something coming. It's Clitheroe. It's Clitheroe schedule there. And this is the Clitheroe service. Should be a class 153 if it does come back. It looks like it. Oh, that's a 185. That's a 185. 103. 185, 103. That was 185, 103. Heading for Farnworth Tunnel and Manchester Airport. And now coming through, this should be the Clitheroe service. I thought the last one might have been. I don't know if the 153 is scheduled to come back or not. Looks like it. Oh, it's a pacer. No way! No way, it's a pacer. On the Clitheroe as well. Jeez, man. A pacer on Clitheroe. I don't know if it was 142017, I think it was. Maybe. Looked like it anyway. So, while we're here waiting for the next train, and the 23:09, the games have been on today. Few updates. Wolves have won the league, the championship. Wigan have been promoted. And Sunderland, for the second consecutive year, have been relegated. They're now in League One. It was in the Premier League last year. The 2016-17 season. So yeah, flaming mad times from Sunderland. Also, Luton have gone up as well. And Chesterfield are as good as relegated, so that's a little bit of a football update for you all. So yeah, as you can see, Farnworth Tunnel there. Next passing now we think is a Manchester Airport Preston. And that is indeed what it is, a class of 156461. And 156461 only very busy. Very busy for a train passing at 22:53, so yeah. A very busy Manchester Airport Preston service, 156461. And coming through now is another train. And it's a 150, 135. Woo! Quite the wind on it. 150, 135. And now passing through is 156 for Preston. The front number I didn't catch, but the back number's 459. I didn't catch the front number though, unfortunately. This could be big disappointment here. So this is.
It's 156 and 152.
That's a bit centralised. That it looks like a pacer. Oh, it is as well. It's a pacer. Oh no way! It's a pacer. Oh, king of hype. Oh, what was this all about? 142.086. Very busy as well. It's very busy. Very busy. Unbelievable how this has turned out to be a pacer. Unbelievable. There it goes. 142.086. And I never ever thought I'd end the video with a pacer. So there it is on the 2309. We'll just get this one coming up here now. There's another movement coming. So just get this passing now and we'll get off back. So it's the 2309 to Wigan Wargate. A service I've been wanting to see for quite a long time. And a pacer turns up on it. It's never going to stop me filming it though. No. I thought it might have been another pacer than that. So there's a 142. Let's carry on this fighting spirit, big momentum. Here we go again for the big finisher. Let's do it. Let's get it up. Let's do this now. Let's not have this be a pacer. It's not another one, surely. Oh, it's a 150-1. 151.12, and that is going to end tonight's lovely little mini session. And on that note, Northwest Trade Spotter 390 out.